Hi everyone, I'm standing here in the beautiful city of Los Altos where you can see the lovely hills behind me. And today we're kicking off a brand new project, full interior remodel, full exterior remodel, structural design, full open concept kitchen. We're touching everything from top to bottom. Let's take a look. Inside the home, we're opening up the kitchen to create a true open concept layout. That means removing existing walls and installing a structural steel beam to safely support the home while completely changing the flow of the space. We'll also be doing a full interior remodel throughout the entire house, including 3 full bathrooms, 1 powder room, and brand new flooring in every room, and updating all the finishes from top to bottom. We have custom fabrication slabs inside the bathrooms, custom vanities, and tile from floor to ceiling. On the exterior, this home is getting major upgrades as well. We'll be installing a new roof, applying new exterior stucco, Brazilian Ipe siding, and building a brand new 1,000 square foot deck to dramatically expand the usable living space and create a stronger indoor-outdoor connection. In this project series, we will walk you through every step, from demolition and structural work to finishes and final details, so you can see exactly what goes into a full home remodel like this from start to finish.